Hi students, now we are going to learn the unit Plant Kingdom. Introduction. The living organisms found on the earth are different in their structures, habitat, mode of nutrition and physiology. The living organisms show lot of similarities and differences so that they can be arranged into many groups. The plant kingdom includes thallophytes, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with the study of identification, classification, description, and nomenclature of living organisms. Classification. Plants are arranged into different groups and categories on the basis of similarities and differences are called classification. Types of classification. There are four types of classification: artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, phylogenetic system of classification, and modern system of classification. Artificial system of classification. Plants are classified on the basis of one or few morphological characters. Morphological external structure. The most famous artificial system of classification is Linnaeus classification, which was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. Natural system of classification. Bentham and Hooker's classification is an example of natural system of classification. This system of classification is based on morphological and reproductive characters of the seeded plants. Bentham and Hooker published their natural system of classification in their book named Genera Plantarum in 3 volumes. The division of Spermatophyta are divided into 3 classes: Dicotyledonnae, Gymnospermae, Monocotyledonnae. Dicotyledon. Seed has 2 cotyledons. Leaves have reticulate venation. Taproot system is present. Flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous. Tetra means 4, penta means 5. 4 or 5 petals are present in that flowers. Gymnospermae. Naked seed plants. Plants of this class have no fruit. It has 3 families. They are Cycadaceae, Coniferae, Neetaceae. Naked seeded plant. What is the meaning? The ovule is not enclosed by ovary. That is open seeded plants. Class 3 Monocotyledonnae. Seed has single cotyledon. Leaves have parallel venation. Fibrous root system is present. Flowers are trimerous. Tri means 3. Binomial nomenclature. The naming of an organisms with 2 words are known as binomial nomenclature. For example, the binomial name of mango is Mangifera indica. The first word Mangifera refers to the genus name and the second word indica to the species name. Salient features of algae. Algae are chlorophyll bearing plants and are autotrophs. The plant body of algae are called thallus. That is, the plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Most of the algae are living in aquatic region. Some algae are very minute and float on the surface of the water. These algae are called phytoplankton. Some of the algae are symbionts. Symbiont means algae living with fungi and they both are mutually benefited. Example, lichen. A few species of them are epiphytes, growing on another plant. Various forms of algae. Plant body of the algae are unicellular or multicellular. Reproduction of algae. Three types of reproduction are seen in algae: vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Fragmentation means cut into many pieces. Asexual reproduction by spore formation. Only one parent will involve in this reproduction. Sexual reproduction by means of fusion of gametes. Male and female gametes will involve in this reproduction. Example, Spirogyra. Economic importance of algae. Food. Some algae are used as a food for domestic animals and human beings. Agriculture. Some of the blue-green algae increases the fertility of the soil. Example, nostoc. Agar-agar. Agar-agar is extracted from some red algae. Is used to prepare growth medium in laboratories. Iodine. Iodine is obtained from brown algae like Laminaria. Algae in space travel. Chlorella is used in space travel. It helps to get rid of carbon dioxide and decompose human waste. Single cell protein. Some of the single cell algae and blue-green algae are used to produce protein. Example, Chlorella, Spirulina. Fungi. General characters of fungi. Fungi belongs to Thallophyta because the plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. The plant body of fungus consists of filament-like structures called as hyphae. Several hyphae arranged in the form of network called mycelium. The cells of fungi are multicellular and eukaryotic organisms. They have no starch because they have no chlorophyll pigments, so they are heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are of three types called parasites, saprophytes and symbionts. Parasites. Parasites absorb food from the living organism with the help of special root called hastoria. Example, Cercospora personata. It affects groundnut plants and causes Zika disease. Saprophytes. Saprophytes grow upon the dead and decay matters and get food from them. Example, Rhizopus. Symbionts. Some species of fungi living with algae and are mutually benefited. Example, lichen. Some fungi live symbiotically with higher plants roots called mycorrhizae. Economic importance of fungi. Antibiotics. Some antibiotics obtained from fungi which cure variable diseases. Example, penicillin. Food. Mushroom contains rich protein and minerals. The most common edible mushroom is agaricus, button mushroom. Vitamins. Fungus is used to produce vitamin B2. Alcohol. Fungus like yeast contain enzymes, invertase and zymase, which ferment the sugar molasses into alcohol. Harmful effects of fungi. Diseases caused by fungi in plants. Wilt of disease of cotton, Ticca disease of groundnut, red rot of sugar cane, blast disease of paddy, white rust of radish. Diseases caused by fungi in human. Ringworm, dandruff and athlete's foot.